Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Ritchie Plunkett from the Puppet Geek, and today guys, I got you a review of AirServer. AirServer is practically what it says here. It mirrors your display and streams your content from your iOS devices. Now, I got a number of questions from a lot of people asking, how do I record all my gameplay on my iOS device? And this is how I do it. Previously, I used to use an app on Cydia, which worked okay. I'm not too sure how it works now because I haven't used it for a very long time, but it was really much of a hassle because it only recorded visuals and not audio, so really, it was really hard. Whereas AirServer allows me to actually record as well as voiceover whatever I'm showcasing through the app itself. And this is something new in the 2.0 version. Previously, it was just sort of, sound and visuals and everything, and you sort of had to use a screen capture software like I'm using right now called ScreenFlow to record all of that. It also works on PC, which is also really nice, and allows you to also desktop mirror on your new iMacs, I believe. It doesn't work with your older iMacs and MacBooks, unfortunately. So let's jump out of this. I want to show you the system preferences first before we actually go into the actual app itself. Now, the actual system preferences is really nice. As you can see here, I've set it up as Ritchie Plunkett's iMac. You can change it to whatever you wanted to use. Audio output as well, if you want to send it to a pair of headphones or just your normal output to your computer's audio. Display, if you do have multiple displays, I'm actually having it on my external display at this moment. And mirroring, this is for recording purposes and showing on the screen. 1080p is really good, especially if you've got a big screen, just because you'll have that nice crisp visuals right there. And advanced, you don't really want to know about that, just updates and stuff. So let's jump into the iPhone. I'm gonna just open it up right now. You probably won't see anything, but I gotta hit AirPlay when you do open up your iOS device. Hit my, as you can see here, Ritchie Plunkett's iMac. It's mirroring currently, which is really nice. And this is what I wanted to show you here. When you just hover around, you'll see this little red button right here, which is something new in the AirServer application, or new to me at least. You hit record, and it'll actually start recording whatever's on screen. Really nice. And right here, we'll just unmute this, and it's actually starting to record audio as well on top of the visuals, which is really nice. And to set this up, you do have to go into your audio settings, set your whatever your mic input is, and it'll start picking up that. There is no sort of mic control, so really, at this moment, I still like to record my microphone externally, just so I can actually adjust the mic volume, because sometimes it's loud, sometimes the gameplay is loud. I like to balance that out. So we're just going to mute this and use the audio from my screen capture software. So from here, you can actually see how responsive this is. I mean, really, you can't really see my fingers right now, but there is no lag at all, which is something we saw in some other mirroring software. There was always that sort of second lag, but something to have with AirDisplay, you need to have a quick response, and AirServer does it really well. So let's jump into, the new Galaxy of the Guardians game, which I'm currently reviewing. This is a great game. Okay, it's gonna play that. Don't know what happened there, but let's actually make this full screen. Yeah, if I can. There we go. Okay, so now this is capturing on the main, I have this now showcasing on my 32-inch LCD panel, and it looks really cool just having it on there. I sort of wish I didn't really have to look at my phone and play, but it's great when you have people around and you want to show something, you can pull it up onto the screen. So let's go jump into let's go jump into a map straight away. Health. Oh shit. Go. Go. Okay, I know it. Unlocked. Oh my god. That's so annoying. That's so annoying. I can't say anything. Oh, that achievement thing's so annoying. Okay, let's jump out of the game. If you guys want to check out that review, you can go check it out soon. It'll be up very shortly. Okay, so once you're all done, and since we were recording all of that, you just want to hit stop on that record button and it'll automatically start exporting. Now once, sometimes exporting can take a little while. 6 minutes took me about 5 minutes to export, but that's because of the software. If you are using a screen capture software, sorry, it might be slightly a bit quicker. But as you can see here, this is what we recorded, so we're just going to play that and see how that actually holds up. And it's actually starting to record audio as well on top of the visuals, which is really nice. You know, and to set this up, you do have to go into your audio settings, set your whatever your mic input is. So obviously that was me speaking previously, and as you could hear, it was quite audible. Really nice recording as well. It's not like it was slightly crackly or anything like that. It's because, you know, I am using a Blue Yeti mic, but at the same time, sometimes using like a record function inbuilt into something like this doesn't do too well, but AirServer does it really good. Let's jump over to some gameplay and check it out. So as you can see here, audio and visual working really great. One thing, however, it seems like at least, there's a sort of like, as you can see, because we were filming at 1080p, supposedly, I don't know, like there's this black surrounding, or it's filming native, I don't know exactly. But this is something you can just fix in post-production, just crop it out and just have the gameplay on there. But it works quite well. I highly recommend checking out some of the other games out there which utilize AirPlay in terms of gameplay, where it just doesn't mirror it. It actually emulates a separate sort of, you know, gameplay, like two different screens in some racing games and some other, you know, games like this as well, which makes it really cool. So anyway guys, just to wrap up there, I highly recommend checking it out. Download the free trial for 7 days, see if you like it or not. If not, you can purchase it for $14.99. It's a really great price to think about it in comparison to how much an Apple TV costs, which is $99, because practically this AirServer does nearly everything that an Apple TV does. If not, your computer can do exactly the same thing. If you are a student or a teacher, you can purchase this as well at a fraction of the cost. Check it out. It's helped me a lot in a lot of my reviews. It just makes it easy. That's it. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching. If you did like this video or found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll put out videos every now and then, I like to say. And anyway guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.